In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set out of office on Salesforce. By the end, you'll know how to turn on the feature for your organization and set your own message so coworkers instantly see when you're away and when you'll be back. This is perfect for vacations, holidays, or focused time. Just a quick note, this controls visibility inside Salesforce, particularly in Chatter and your profile. It doesn't send external email replies. First, we need to make sure the feature is enabled in your org. In Salesforce, click the gear icon in the top right and open Setup. In the Quick Find box, search for Chatter settings and select it. Click Edit at the top of the page. Look for the option labeled Users can set out-of-office messages and check that box. Then click Save. If you don't see Chatter settings or the checkbox, you may not have the right permissions, so reach out to your Salesforce administrator. Once this is enabled, the Out of Office button becomes available on user profiles. Now let's set your personal out of office. Back in Salesforce, click your profile avatar in the top right. From the drop-down, click your name to open your profile page. On your profile, you'll see the Out of Office button. Go ahead and click it. In the panel that opens, set your start and end dates. Choose the dates that match your time away. Salesforce will automatically display your status during this window and clear it when the end date passes. Next, enter your custom message. Keep it clear and helpful. For example, you might state that you're out, when you'll return, and who on your team can assist while you're unavailable. Keep it professional and concise, and avoid adding any sensitive details. When you're happy with it, click Save. From this point on, your colleagues will see your out-of-office status on your profile and in places like mentions and direct messages within Chatter, helping them know not to expect an immediate response. If your plans change, you can come back to your profile, open the same out-of-office panel, adjust the dates or message, or turn it off early by removing the dates and saving again. That's all there is to it. Enable the setting once in Chatter settings, then set your own dates and message on your profile. This small step keeps your team aligned and reduces confusion while you're away. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, consider sharing it with your team so everyone can set their out of office correctly in Salesforce.